In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the marker in Capcut. Markers are simple but powerful timestamps you place on your timeline so you can quickly find beats, scene changes, or moments you want to edit later. They help you stay organized, keep your timing tight, and speed up your workflow. Start by opening Capcut. Give the app a moment to load, and make sure you're in the editing workspace with the timeline visible at the bottom. If you're on desktop, you'll typically see a blank timeline and a media panel. On mobile, you'll see your project view with a timeline strip. The interface may look slightly different depending on your device, but the process is the same. Next, add your video. Import the clip you want to work with, then place it onto the timeline. Drag it to the starting position if needed so it sits at the beginning of your project. If you're working with multiple clips, it's a good idea to put them in order first so your markers align with the final sequence. You can also adjust your timeline zoom to a comfortable level. Zooming in helps you place markers more precisely on beats or frame-accurate moments. Now position the playhead at the exact moment where you want the marker. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current time in the timeline. Scrub by dragging it left or right, or play and pause to land right on the moment you care about. For precise placement, move frame by frame until you're sure you're on the correct spot. Think of the playhead as the anchor for the marker you're about to drop. With the playhead in place, add the marker. Look for the marker icon or the option labeled marker in the editing controls and click it. Capcut will drop a small flag or dot at the playhead position on the timeline. You'll now see that marker as a visual cue you can jump back to while editing. Use markers to flag music hits, emphasize transitions, or note places where you plan to add text, effects, or cuts. If you're working through a long video, adding markers as you go will save time and help you keep your edit structured. That's all you need to get started. Open Capcut, add your video, line up the playhead, and click the marker. Keep practicing this flow, and you'll notice your edits becoming cleaner and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!